This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable dark mode on the YouTube app. I'll be using an Apple iPhone SE for this, but this should work very similarly on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I'm on my phone now. First thing you need to do is tap on the YouTube app, of course. Then you will go up to your profile icon in the upper right hand corner and tap on that. Then you will scroll down to settings and tap on that. Then you will tap on the General tab. And then right here, Dark Theme, you just toggle it on. And now it is in Dark Theme. Thanks for watching.